Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, I want to teach you how to turn your autumn, yellow and orange picture into the green, lively and beautiful ones. Try write down the details and tips step by step in your notebook so that you never miss them. This technique will help you enjoy Photoshop more than before. Stay with me. First of all, I open an autumn photo in the Photoshop. As you see, it's full of the yellow, green, and a little brown colors in this picture. This picture is very nice and my favorite season. So, look at this icon. The name of this icon is Adjustment. I click to the Adjustment and go to the Channel Mixer. I click it. Pay attention and listen to me. The present is default. It's okay. After that, my output channel is red. So remember, our output channel should be red. If another color, you click to red. Monochrome is off. Then you should be change these red, green and blue icons. I put it to -60. I think it's good. -60. So, and the green +200 or +160. For blue, -30. The numbers I tell you are relative and you can increase or decrease them. Basically, pay attention to the technique. I think this is good. After that, I click to this background. Then I unlock this picture. I unlock this. After that, I click to my mood and I want to change my mood. I think lighten is good. So I click to lighten. After that, I'm going to adjustment again and create a selective color. Selective color is there. I click it. Pay attention, the present is default and my color is red. Red is not good. So you should be change it to yellow. Why? Because we want to change red and orange color to green. So we work in yellow color. So I change the crayon to +15. I think +17 is good. I change magenta. Look at this, you can change it. The minus is red, but the positives good. +6 good. Then yellow is all and you can change it a little. I think +9. The black is a little change. Good. Okay, I think it's enough, but you can change it and the number I tell you are relative and you can increase or decrease every icon as you want. So I come back to my main layer, then I'm going to filter and click to render. The lens flare is here. I can put a lens or sunshine in my picture. As you see, I can move it everywhere. For example, here is good. It's as if sunlight shines through the leaves. And you can change the brightness. It's very bad. A little is good. And 35mm prime is good. It's good too. I think it's better. I think it's... No, it's not good. Yeah, good. Lens flare, okay. Very good. As you see, moss leaves convert to green, but it's not very good, and the color not alive and shine. We have an important filter in Photoshop by name camera filter. It's very practical and important, and every Photoshop designer should be work with this filter. Go to the filter and click to camera filter. Shortcut it becomes Shift plus Ctrl plus A. Before using this filter, we need to unify all the layers. Then right click to this main layer and click to flatten layer. Every layer unify together. After that, go to the filter and click to camera filter. Shortcut it's become Shift plus Ctrl plus A. Give time to your Photoshop, then the camera is opening in front of you. So you can change some part of this basic part, and you will see every color is very different than before. For example, the temperature to blue and the tint to green. I think -30 is good. In the exposure I don't change anything, and I want to work with texture, clarity and behind with vibrance and saturation. A little change your texture to +10 and clarity to +10. It's good. And a little your dehighs to +10. Okay, vibrance is very important, and I put it to +20, and your saturation change it to +10. Very good. When you are sure your setting is enough for you, you can click to OK and look at this picture. Very good. So I think my technique is done, and now I want to show you before and after. It's before. As you see, this is an autumn season and you are full of yellow, orange and brown color in my picture. After our technique, this is spring or summer. You are seeing every green and blue and light and color in this picture. Very good. It's before, after, before, after.